So hey guys, this is Aris, and in this video we're gonna talk about how you can just delete your Google YouTube account, channel. So basically you have to just go in YouTube Studio. You can also just open this page in your mobile using desktop mode and then go to the settings, and after that you have just to go to the channel and then to the advanced settings and then to the manage YouTube accounts. You'll be redirected to a new page, and then here you can just see your channel status, channel name, and lot of things. And just go to the advanced settings, and here you'll be looking for option named delete channel. So deleting account doesn't mean to just delete your Google account. It basically does mean just deleting your YouTube channel. So when you click this link, so it will just redirect to a window where you have to just verify that this is you who is just deleting your account by entering your password. So this is it for today's video. So please subscribe if you want some videos like this.